if it is possible to delete a poll on Facebook Messenger. Before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on post notification for you to get future updates. So let's begin. First, let's open our app. I assume you've already created a poll if you're on this video and you want to delete it. So let's check if you can do that. So I'm just gonna go to my group right here, and here as you can see, there is a poll about fast food. So here I can change votes right now, but I don't see any active option to delete the poll. So even if I try to long press on this poll or try to tap on a poll and tap on this right here, nothing is happening. Even if I try to long press, nothing is happening. So if you really want to delete your poll, then the only option that you can do is delete your entire chat. So go to your group info, tap on these three dots and delete this entire conversation. This is the only option for now for you to delete the poll, but there is no active way right now. But in the future, if Messenger brings an update to delete the poll, we'll be the first one to let you guys know. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.